I'm Tasman, and today I'm going to show you how to make a acai fruit and goji berry face mask using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program. And we are going to select the Oil and Water Cream build. Now with this mask, it is a leave-on mask, so you have to leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes and then wipe it off and then rub in the excess cream onto your face. Okay, so firstly I'm going to select my humectant and I'm going to select some glycerin. Next is my gum and I'm going to select the Solar Gum AX. For my anionic emulsifier, I'm going to go with some stearic acid. Next is my non-ionic emulsifier and I'm going to go with some Nature-Gem EW. Now this mask is going to be quite thick, so I'm going to use about 6% of the Nature-Gem EW and 2% stearic acid. For my lipids, I'm going to select the Acai oil. And I'm also going to select a little bit of the Miracle 318 just so it's not too heavy and too oily on the skin. Next is my preservative, and I'm going to go with the Naticide. Now this preservative has a scent on its own, so I'm not going to pick any essential oils or fragrances because it might clash with the preservative. Next is my added extras, and I'm going to select the goji berry extract. This is great for energizing and rejuvenating the skin. And lastly is my antioxidant, and I'm going to pick the mixed tocopherols. And then lastly, click on Generate Method, and there is your full formula method. And now it's time to get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make an acai fruit and goji berry face mask using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own face mask. Happy formulating!